A wise man once told me, fail to plan, plan to fail. And that is especially true when it comes to fly fishing. There's been many times that I've been on a fly fishing trip, and it doesn't take much for you to really finely tune your packing system. My name is Harris Buddig. I am the Patagonia Northern Rockies fly fishing rep, and I have the pleasure of introducing you to our new packing system for spring 24, our new updated cubes. Let's take a look and peek inside of what we have here. So we have three different sizes of cubes. I'm showing you right now is the largest of the cubes, which is the 16 liter. This cube has been a game changer. And now we made it a little bit larger to accommodate either a pair of boots and waders. I like to throw some of my socks and underwear in this piece as well. And when you open the cube up, what's nice is that you have one mesh side and one flat side, especially for when I'm traveling on the road or going to my next destination. I can put my clean clothes on the mesh side and throw the dirty ones on the flat side, which is a huge game changer. But options are really endless here. Like, you can put larger fly boxes for the salt, your waders and boots for if you're going to a freshwater destination. It just keeps it nice, compact. And the beautiful thing about this is that the cube fits both vertically and horizontally in your bag and makes it as a nice tight system. The next size down that we have is our medium cube, shown here. The medium cube I've used as a dedicated, either as putting my fly reels, extra spools of tippet. You can throw a lot of your first aid kit in this bag. The beautiful thing too is that when I have it from my duffel, I actually slide this into my waterproof backpack as well. And that way I can throw my jacket, sunscreen, stuff that I don't necessarily need all the time and have quick access to. And that way, my flies and leader and tippet can be a little bit more easily to grab in my waterproof backpack. So what's nice is that it works both when I'm traveling from the airport to my destination and then also from destination on the water as well. And then finally, we have the small cube, which is 3 liters. I use this both as using extra either steelhead tips, Mo tips, extra leaders, and also works as a great dop kit as well. I hope this kind of shows you all the different sizes and also the versatility of these pieces, and allows you to have a more integrated, finely tuned packing system next time you head out for your destination trip. So whether it's boots and waders in the large, core tippet materials and reels in the medium, or your Pepto in the small, these cubes got you covered on your next fly fishing trip.